Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to resubscribe QuickBooks Online. First, log into your account using your credentials. Once inside, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Click on it, and then select Account and Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your QuickBooks subscription and company information. It's a straightforward process to get started. After navigating to the Billing and Subscription tab, take a moment to review your current subscription status. You will see details about your plan and its expiration. If your account is currently inactive, a prominent option to resubscribe will appear. Before proceeding, it is a good idea to quickly verify that your payment information, such as your credit card details, is current and accurate to avoid any interruptions during the renewal. To reactivate your account, simply click the Resubscribe button. This action will guide you through the renewal process. You will then be presented with the various QuickBooks Online plans. Select the one that best fits your business needs. Finally, confirm your preferred payment method and follow the prompts to securely complete the transaction. The entire process is designed to be quick and user-friendly, taking just a few moments. Once your resubscription is complete, you will receive an email confirmation detailing your renewed service. More importantly, your QuickBooks Online account will be immediately reactivated, granting you full access to all its features and your financial data. You can then seamlessly resume managing your business finances, creating invoices, tracking expenses, and utilizing all the powerful tools QuickBooks Online offers without any delay or interruption to your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.